Hi everybody! Today I'm going to show you a cute little tutorial on how to take off your Colorstreet nails and put a new set on. I say cute because I'm cute, so just deal with that little side comment there. Okay, so I'm super excited to share my new business, Simply Glam with Tori, with everybody. I'm an independent Colorstreet stylist, which means I'm selling these 100% real nail polish strips that are 95% dried, and then the other 5% gets dried when you open the package, expose it to air, and put it on your nail. So once you put them on, you're ready to go. There's no dry time needed. You're not sitting here waiting. You can touch things. You can go wash your dog or whatever it is you need to do. Currently, I'm wearing the little October breast cancer awareness shade called Warrior. And all the proceeds for this shade was actually donated to breast cancer research, which is really cool because my family, I've had a lot of people who've had breast cancer, and so that's why I really wanted to get this shade. And also my birthday was last week and I love the color pink, so that's why I wore it. And I've had these for, I think, almost exactly 10 days, which is the typical time that it takes for these to start chipping off. Just like regular nail polish, it chips off. And so instead, I'm going to be putting on these Santa nails, which are a little corny, not going to lie, but I want to be festive because tomorrow is Christmas Eve, and the next day is Christmas, and I'm that kind of person who's going to wear some Santa nails. So to get these off, the Warrior shade, I'm going to use regular nail polish remover. You can use whatever it is you normally do to get your nail polish off, but I'm going to stick with the good old nail polish remover. And I'm going to do each nail one by one. So until it's all off. So here we go. So I'm going to wet my little pad and just gently wipe it off. Alright, now I'm gonna open my set. Comes with little tabs, so don't be like me and do it backwards. So there's a little tab, and I just ripped it. So when you get it open, inside is gonna be a nail file, which you're gonna want to use next. And you're going to want to file your nails to however shape you want them. So I am one of those people who likes really short nails, so I'm just going to round them out to the little short length that I want. I don't really need to do much because I did this a couple of days ago and they're kind of already in the shape that I want them, but we're going to just do a little bit more. Okay, next, inside the little package comes a nail prep pad, which it's just alcohol, and just an alcohol wipe that you're basically just cleaning your nails with because you filed them. So there might be a couple little dirty pieces of dead nail that you'll want to just wipe off real quick. And now we are ready for our nail strips. So they are in this cute little package. Once I open it, I will need to use it because they will dry out. I don't know how long it takes because I've never actually taken several hours. It only takes like 10 minutes to do your nails, so don't open them and then leave them around. So the cool thing about these strips is that each side is a different size. So you can have like the smallest nail up here and then slightly larger up here, just so that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 16 different nail sizes that it can accommodate. So to put these on, I'm just gonna start with my thumbnail. So I'm gonna detach the thumbnail so it's easier. It's got the Santa head, and what you want to do is take off the bottom layer. So there's 3 different layers. There's a clear protecting layer, there's like a little cardboard piece underneath, and then in the center is your nail strip. So I'm gonna remove the little cardboard piece, and I'm just gonna, well, I kind of already know my size, but I'm just gonna measure just for good measure. And I'm gonna place it directly on my nail and press down. So place it on my nail. I'm gonna press down, so this piece is gonna go down. Oh look, see, it's already ripped. So that's what happens. You push it down and you're gonna basically like rip it around the size of your nail until it fits your whole nail. Just be careful not to rip too much because you don't want your actual nail to be exposed. You can kind of like file the edges around your nail until it fits. This one's a little bit more difficult because the thumbnail, I wanted the Santa head and not the Santa hats, so it's a little bit bigger. But if I were to do a regular set, I would choose a smaller size that I didn't have to alter so much. Alright, and there you go. I have a Santa head. Oh, I could probably do this. I have a Santa head nail. Alright, so I'm going to use the rest of these, which are little... This one's probably not my size, but I'm going to use the rest of these and do the rest of my nails and show you what the final product is afterwards. Alright, so I've finished all 10 of my Santa nails, and it took me less than 10 minutes total, which is great. They're completely dry, so I can see how I'm touching them. Nothing's going on. I can go wash dishes, which I'm probably not going to do, or whatever it is you feel like you can't do when you're waiting for your nails to dry. You can go ahead and do it. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to know where to get your own set of nails, or if you want to win some free sets of nails, let me know and I'll hook you up. Or if you just want to go to my website, it's www.colorstreet.com/simplyglamwithtori /. So /simplyglamwithtori. And thanks for watching.